Alright, I just wanted to show the problem I'm having right now. I just changed the spark plugs, and this is how the plugs looked. Really black. Probably can't tell from this camera, but you see how black they are? And they stink like gas. And I had some extra plugs sitting around, so I changed the plugs. And I just tried to run it. It's throwing the P0300 code. And I'm going to show when it tries to run how it's acting. Now I just hit the throttle while starting it, that's why it started. So I'm like put on the pedal right now. Shaking violently. You see that? That's how it was running last night before I did anything. Muffler shaking violently. You even see the door shaking. And this is what happened. And it's not even throwing any codes. Right before I started this video, I was starting it, and yeah, there it is actually. Speaking of double, this is the first solid check engine light I've got. All the other ones been flashing P0300. Okay, so I got the P0300 and the pending P0300, so that's the misfire code, so it's both misfires, but it's not saying what cylinder it's misfiring on. It's just telling me it has a misfire. Again, light is flashing. Same code. E-manage is not hooked up. Regular stock ECU is hooked up. This is the patch harness. The EU is not hooked up. It's actually one of the only times that it did stay on. But I don't know what kind of damage I'm doing by keeping it on. Once I touched the throttle, it died. PO 300 and pending PO 300. That's it. And that's what I've been dealing with all day. If anybody can help me out, it was running with the 40/40cc injectors just fine before the ECU problem. Now I got the ECU problem figured out. It was the relay. It fired right up last night. But then last night after I took a drive at the end, it started hesitating like this, and it threw a misfire on cylinder 5. So this morning I didn't start it before I hooked up the ECU, or the EU. But after I hooked up the Greddy, I tried I set everything up and I went to start it, and it wasn't even doing anything at all. It was just cranking. It said the crankshaft position sensor. It threw that code, so I suspect there's a wiring problem with that wire in the harness. So this is the problem as it sits now. Thanks for watching.